Jasleen. You silly girl. You're funny. Why are you scaring me? Jasleen. Jasleen. You scared me. You're funny. Say mommy. Say mommy. Where's Elmo? You're funny. I like your laugh. You silly girl. You're so silly. You're gonna break my dish. Don't throw mommy's book. Where's your book? Where's Jasleen's book? Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. You're so silly. What are you doing throwing all that stuff on the floor? You're funny. Tell me bye-bye. Jasleen, read your book.
Say bye-bye.
Can you tell me bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Jasleen, can you tell me bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
You're going to fall down.
Say thank you.
Mhm.
Say bye-bye.
You hugging mommy? You giving mommy a hug?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
Bye.
When I was about to hang up, she was telling you bye.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, and then she
Aww.
put the phone to her ear and said hello.
You talked to me after I hung up? Bye. Jasleen,
Bye.
blow me a kiss. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Blow me a kiss. Blow the kiss.
Jasleen.
You gonna play toys? Okay. Now what she's gonna do is You're silly. Oh, I have a feeling she's fixing to dump it all. You're so funny. She likes that reaction. All right, bye-bye. Are you going to kick your ball? Get your Dora ball. Get your ball and kick it. Kick it.
Get your ball.
Bola. Kick it. Get your ball. It's a monkey. Kick it. Where's your Dora ball? You gonna tell me bye-bye? You're so silly. Don't hurt yourself. What you gonna do with that? Jasleen. 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 Bye-bye. 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 Low kiss. Uh-oh.
Come on, get up. Get up.
Bye.